If you're going to Coaches Congress, you do not want to miss the Friday workshop at 4:30. It's called The Transformation Business, turning nutrition and health coaching into impact, income, and retention. My name is Nicole Aucoin, and I'm the founder of Healthy Steps Nutrition. Over the past decade, we've been helping gym owners build, launch, and grow professional nutrition coaching programs. And this year, we've helped gym owners expand into a lower ticket offer and revamp so that nutrition and health truly becomes a pillar of the business. Why? Because we know that in order to help our clients reach the best results possible, we have to address the other 23 hours of the day. I'm sure you can think of members who are working out so hard in the gym, but we knew that if they were to address their nutrition, their sleep, their stress management, they would see much better results. We can't out exercise a bad diet. And if nutrition is a missing piece of the puzzle, or you know that you can level up your nutrition coaching program, I want to see you at the workshop. Make sure that you click the link below and register so that you can lock in your spot. See you in London.